Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have got something really cool to talk about. Don't worry, it is going to be super easy and fun. Even if you're just starting out, you can totally get the hang of this. All right, let's get started. Imagine you have a list of numbers or names in Excel and you want to find the unique items in that list. You can do that using the unique form. It's like having a magic that makes all the duplicate items disappear. Okay, here is how you do it. Let's start typing the formula is equal to unique, select the array, close the bracket, hit enter. As the data is in cells A5 to A24, Excel will show you only the unique item from that range. So cool, right? Okay, now let's add sort formula to this. Type sort, go here, keep the index 1, then it will ask the order whether you want to sort data ascending or descending. Select descending for now, close the bracket. You can see it's starting with Z. Let's do this once again. We are going to use the unique formula. Select the array, close the bracket. Or let's do this. Let's get start writing both the formula at the same time. Okay. So let's start with the sort. Okay. Type unique. We are going to combine both the formulas at one. Okay. Select ascending or descending. I'm going to select ascending this time. Hit the enter. Now you got the result. You can see starting with A and ending with Z. Okay. As I mentioned, Excel will show you only the unique items from that range where your data is in cells. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Now we are going to see the SUMIF formula. Okay. Let's say you have a list of customers and product price or quantities and you want to find out the price. Okay. Let's get started. Is equal to SUMIF, select the range, comma, select the criteria. Okay. To select the entire customer name here, we are using hash. You can see it is getting selected here, comma, what is the sum range? This will be our sum range. Close the bracket, hit enter. But here is where the real magic happens. If you want to find the total quantity of only the unique items in your list. So forget about this SUMIF now. So let's try to combine unique and SUMIF together to see uh, the results are matching. Okay. So what you can do, SUMIF, select the range, comma, use the unique formula, select the array, close the bracket, comma, now select the sum range. Boom. You can see the results matching. You can combine unique and SUMIF to do just that. Okay, let's look at the filter formula here. So we got some products and price here, as you can see. So let's go here. Now what we are going to do is in products with the price less than 30K, we are going to filter that using the filter formula. Okay, let's type filter, then select the array, comma, select what has to be included. Now we are checking only for the price which are less than 30,000. Okay. So right now we are not considering if empty, just closing the bracket. As you can see, productivity and utility, you can see there is one utility, 19,000 productivity, both are less than 30,000 here. Let's try this once again. Is equal to filter, comma, include what we are including, this one. Okay, now we'll use greater than, okay, greater than 50,000. You can see corporate, consumer, and games. These are greater than 50,000 values. So the combining the unique and sum ifs formulas to find the unique sum, and filtering to get the products greater than 30,000, 50,000, or less than 30,000. So I hope you enjoyed this magical Excel journey. Remember, with a bit of practice, you can be an Excel, in Excel. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting Excel adventures. Until next time, happy excelling. Bye.